Hi guys, when you're searching for T-Mobile chat on Google, then unfortunately it doesn't show you how it works. At least the first couple of links you'll get is just in normal contact us, and unfortunately no matter what you do, can go down here, can see all the numbers, everything what's available, but there's absolutely no chat unless I'm missing something. There's absolutely nothing about chat here, and I've been searching and searching on the tmobile.com website and I couldn't find anything about chat, and so it looks like it's not available anymore. But there's an alternate solution luckily, and that's to text to 611 if you are a customer. That's the number which you can also call. I go a little bit down, you can see that here, contact number 611, and this is a number which you cannot only call, you can also text to, no matter what it is, or pretty much no matter what it is. I was looking for a return possibility for a device which I ordered, and I wanted to return, needed a shipping label and an RMA number, so I texted to them, mentioned my order number, what the problem is, and they sent me then a return label to my email address. That's how it worked. Before I remember there was a chat on tmobile.com. It looks like it's not available anymore, but texting to 611 seems to be the alternate solution these days. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions or other suggestions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.